got all the shrouds and all the stays, I should say, labeled individually here. I think I'm just, well, I gotta think about it, but I want to just take them off so I can get all of the craziness under control, especially right here as I'm coming in and out of the companionway. This is kind of in the way. I can bring it over a little bit, but I just need to be able to clean them up a little bit, and I don't think they need to be on the mast anymore. Here's what, this is one of the bigger concerns that I had. You see right here, this is the cap shroud on the port side, and it looks like a 3/8 inch pin in a tang that wants a 1/2 inch clevis pin, whatever you call it. Yeah, same thing with this other side. Let's see. It's kind of nice having the top of the mast so close by. Here is that, of course, the main halyard sheave, and at least it spins now. But I'm going to take these tangs out, of course, eventually. Take this whole sheave box out. That'll slide out once I get this bolt off, and then see what I can do to either clean it up, something. I got to be able to do something with it. I don't want to go buy another sheave. I couldn't even find anything like this, so I'd have to probably go outside of the boating community to get it, which may not be a bad thing, actually. But all the stays do. The stays look like they're in good shape otherwise. A little dirty maybe, but so that's cool. And anyways, I'm gonna get some dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna take the cap shrouds off of the spreader so I can make some room for myself. And I had to cut through this rigger's tape that was at the end of, in this case, it's the port side spreader. And this is the one that doesn't stay put. But you see that it was attempted at least to be fastened to the shroud. Didn't work so well, but anyways, this rigger's tape is very interesting. It's like really heavy rubber, and it's still almost kind of wet and elastic, which is kind of nice. But I'm going to look at the starboard side and see how they fastened that, because clearly this didn't do what it should have done. But I am pleased to see that it was attempted to be seized anyways to the spreader tip. Okay, so this is what we got for the port's starboard side rather. You see they twisted these around so much more than they did on the port side, and you see with those twists right there, the spreader tip is really well seized to the shroud. Anyways, we'll take that off and we'll get this thing out of the way. Note to self, on the starboard side spreader, they seem to have done a crisscross pattern. And then of course they wrapped it around the seizing wire around the 1x19 quite a few times, but I think it's a combination of those that seized that wire pretty well.